Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to filter or sort data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, for instance, if you're going to display only the school that you want to display or the students that belong to a school, you can actually filter that one or sort that in Microsoft Excel. To do that, you can highlight this one. I have already hide all data so for privacy. After highlighting the field names, you can actually click here. Make sure the home tab is active and then click sort and filter and then click filter. Okay, you can actually see this arrow down button for filter. So for instance, if you're going to filter the school name or you want to display the school that you only want to print, you can click here, and then since all the schools are selected, meaning in that column D, all the schools are displayed. So if you want to display only one school that you're going to select, you can actually click this select all to unselect all and then choose the school that you want only to display. For instance, this one, I want to display only Surigao del Norte National High School. I'm going to select this one and then click OK to filter. This time, it will display only the names of the students, all the details with only one school displayed in your Microsoft Excel. So this time, you can now print only the school that you belong. Okay, so that's all how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.